Alright guys, today we have an unboxing, and that is with Movement Watch. Now this is a watch brand that has been taking the internet by storm. They're oriented on value but quality, so right in line with this channel's philosophy. Um, and they make amazing designs, and they look very clean, they look elegant, they look classy. This is opinion, right? But they don't come at a crazy premium price tag. So this isn't your high-end watch. This is more of everyday what you can wear casually. Some of their watches I think you can wear a bit more formally, but yeah, watch nonetheless. So the one I have is called the Gunmetal Sandstone Leather, and you'll see what that means in a bit. This is number 40. There's other gunmetal sandstone combinations, and this is number 40. So yeah, there's slight differences in each. So the packaging is wrapped in this plastic wrap, and you just peel. No, yeah, that didn't work. You just peel this plastic off. We are revealed with a nice black box. If I can get this plastic off. All right, let's take out the Batman knife. It's time for the Batman knife to make an appearance. All right, so very clean packaging. It's not a super nice cardboard. Not that it's a huge deal, but just for the experience, you know. And all I have to do is slide it out. Let's see if I can do that. All right. Woo! And that's a nice red metallic leathery type of case. Oh, this feels really nice. I am surprised. That feels really nice though. I like that red accent. I don't know that. Okay, that was Alexa. Thanks, Alexa. And so that red accent really just brings out the box. Now let's open it. I think it opens. Oh, you have to open both sides. All right, so here we have an instruction pamphlet. We got some other styles that they're showing off here. Let's see what this says. It's just a instruction on how to operate the watch. And so, yeah, it comes with it's lined in felt, which is nice. So if we take this off, we're revealed with the watch itself. Thank you, silica gel. And this is the gunmetal sandstone leather. And that looks clean. Super clean. So gunmetal is referring to the body. The sandstone leather is the actual strap itself. So let's take this off. I don't think there's an easy way to take this off. Okay, so now we can move this box aside. All right, so as you can see here, the body itself is like a dark gray, metallic-y color, slightly shiny. The band itself is a light brown. If you think of sand, it's kind of more that sandy color. And then it has a blue accent, and I love blue. So that blue accent I really like. And it comes with the protective plastic film so it doesn't get scratched over here. And that is just a nice looking watch. A nice looking watch. All right, so to put it on, it's pretty standard of any watch, right? Just slide it in, find the position you like, and presto, there is the watch. So you can see I have pretty small wrists, and it still fits me pretty well. It's on the little third little hole there. But yeah, comfort, feels good. I think I did not peel something. Yeah. If you see on the crown, on the side, there's a little tab here. So let's take that off. Okay. I have no nails right now, so it's a little hard. Actually, let's look at the instructions and see what they say. And so all you have to do is just pull out this little orange tab. So that's done. And then there's another film on the back. And let's take that off. And we have stainless steel on the bottom. And that looks clean too. You can see that's brushed. Has a nice look to it. Overall, just a very clean looking watch. Now it says 3 ATM water resistant. And according to their pamphlet here, with 3 atmospheres, that's about 30 meters. So, I mean, you could probably get it submerged, but I wouldn't try doing that, especially with the leather. So they say it's okay with just the sink, nothing else. All right. This also comes with 2-year warranty, and from the date of purchase, it covers defects on the watch itself, such as the movement, the case, the crystal, and normal wear and tear is not covered. So, I mean, at least they give you a warranty, right? But the leather itself, very smooth. It has like a micro suede type of feel. It's not stiff leather, which is nice, right? It's got a nice flex to it. It's hard to put this on without using my stomach, or my chest, my body. And it has a secondary strap for or buckle, not a buckle. It's a secondary strap for the watch band to keep it in place. And after a while, the leather will kind of fit into your arm, your wrist. So, if it doesn't feel completely comfortable yet, it will eventually, as you just wear it more. But yeah, overall, comfort feels great. The look, I love. This is just a simple analog, no date, no chronograph or anything like that. So it's just a very simple watch. Makes for a great gift. In fact, I got this for a gift, and I gotta say, I already love it. It just looks so nice, so clean. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll leave a link to their website. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace.